Hello. Hello.
Ano ba sinasabi mo kanina?
Where's my bear?
Ano ba nagsasabi mo, where's my bear? Your
There's
English not correct.
there's
I'm
bear.
not graduation, okay?
And there's the bear.
Oh, yeah? I don't think so. Tan.
Where's my sing event?
Yeah, Sing Heaven by Brian Adams. Bakit?
Hey, Dodo.
Huh?
Where's my Dodo?
I will sangkap yung milk.
Yes. Where's my Tito Carlo skirt?
What? Tito Carlo's skirt.
Yes.
Tito Carlo is my daddy, and Kurt is my brother.
Yes.
Brother, yes. My little brother. Yeah. Yeah.
Where's my baby brother?
We have a baby brother.
Where's my
Oh,
brother?
that's some nigga, baby.
Where's my Marnie? PJ?
Marnie? PJ?
Oh, tsaka Baby Bob.
Yes. And then, wow, my English is like a fluent in America.
Where's my DVD?
Okay. Yes.
Where's my cup? Di ko alam.
Baby rolled it up. You don't have a hair.
Where's my buhok?
Where's your hair? What is that? Mo?
Where's my mohawk?
Yes. Is that your hair? I think it's a paintbrush.
Where's my
Oh, wow.
Where's my buhok in girl?
Wow, where's your hair in my buhok? Wow, nice English, dude. Yeah.
Where's my quintas? Where's my
It's my
quintas?
necklace.
Narito, ikaw daw si Aki. Ako daw yung hero. Hey, yung my cellphone.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.